let's get back to basics with CIH Equipment Company and eGas Depot. To turn on the dBadge, press the left power key and the right key at the same time. The LED display will power on and show the main dashboard screen. To do a noise reading, after turning dBadge on, simply press the right key and cycle through the screens once you see the time screen. You will see the letters L, A, S on the left side of the screen, and on the right, a group of numbers with the letters dB that stand for decibels. Charging your dBadge. Your device should come with a charging station. To charge your dBadge, simply click it into place like so. You will notice a USB symbol on the docking pocket. That is for users to attach a USB cable to the dock itself so information can be downloaded. Wearing your dBadge. What makes the dBadge extremely user-friendly is the device's wearable versatility. You can wear it right side up or with a display screen facing towards you so you can see the measurements of the current decibels. Using the crocodile-style mounting clips, you can attach it to your jacket or shirt collar. If you need to attach it to a hard hat, simply feed the harness through the blank webbing buckle clip fittings. Please be sure to watch more videos of Back to Basics, and remember, we're here to help with your health and safety equipment calibrations. Just call us or give us a visit at cihequipment.com and find calibration gases and safety equipment at egasdepot.com.